Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in a 2011 Kia Soul. Locate the low-pressure service port near the passenger side firewall and ensure the engine is off. Wear safety glasses and gloves before starting. Check refrigerant type on the underhood label and weigh the can if required. Connect the gauge set to the low port, start the engine, and set blower to max cool. Add refrigerant slowly and watch pressures carefully. Prepare by gathering a manifold gauge, approved R134A refrigerant, safety gear, and a leak detector. Park on level ground, open the hood, and locate the AC service ports. Confirm ambient temperature is above 60 degrees F for accurate readings. With engine off, remove the low port cap and inspect connections for oil or damage. Start the engine and switch to max AC with recirculation. Monitor low side. Attach the manifold gauges to the low and high ports and ensure a tight fit. Purge air from the hose by briefly opening the low side valve before connecting the refrigerant can. With the engine running and AC at max, slowly add refrigerant in short bursts and recheck pressure after each addition. Avoid overcharging, aim for manufacturer pressure specs, or rely on temperature drop across the evaporator. Stop when cold air is steady and pressures are stable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.